Choosing the right health insurance can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Step 1. Understand your needs. Are you looking for individual coverage, family coverage, or just a backup for emergencies? Step 2. Compare different plans. Look at coverage details, network hospitals, and the extra benefits they provide. Step 3. Balance your monthly premium with the deductible. A lower premium may look good now, but it could mean higher out-of-pocket costs later. Step 4. Check for extra benefits like free annual checkups, telemedicine access, or wellness programs that can save you money in the long run. Step 5. Always read the fine print. Make sure you know exactly what's covered and what's excluded before you sign. Choosing the best health insurance is all about matching the right coverage to your needs and your budget. Start your comparison today and protect your health tomorrow.